In an area where remote and hybrid work is now a thing more than ever, the significance of a reliable headset can be essential for most. But to fend away from the usual Sonys, Boses, Audio-Technicas, and alike, the Poly Voyager Surround 80UC, a meticulously designed active noise-canceling headset that markets for premium on-call quality, is definitely a change of pace. As the boundaries between office and home blur, these comfortable and nice-feeling over-ear headphones aim to redefine headphones for work. What up guys, Miguel here from Yugatech, and in this video, we're checking out some not too expensive and not too cheap headphones that could be the perfect pair for work, whether at home or your office. Let's dive in. Inside the box of the Poly Voyager Surround 80UC, we find its nice hardshell felt carrying case. The case features a red Poly logo on the side, and the material of the case reminds us of the back of rear car seats. Getting inside the case, we have the headphones themselves with all its accessories included. Users get a USB Type-C wireless dongle, a USB Type-C to A adapter, a Type-C to C cable, and a Type-C to 3.5mm audio jack. With all these included, there shouldn't be any problem when pairing the headphones with other devices, whether they be wired to your Mac, PC, or smartphone. From the first touch and glance, the professional design and aesthetic of the Poly Voyager Surround 80UC become very evident. With soft touch materials all around this office chair black pair of headphones, it blends professionalism with an appreciation for nice materials. The memory foam ear cups are very plush and feel very comfortable when wearing. They fit over the user's ears with a noticeably comfortable amount of room for extended listening sessions, meaning it doesn't feel too cramped right now around my ears, which is good. For I/O, the Poly Voyager Surround 80UC's USB Type-C port, power and Bluetooth switch, and red accented function button can be found around the right ear cup. While the large ear cups provide comfort, the non-foldable design might pose as a challenge for those used to folding headphone designs, because clearly these headphones don't fold. They do stretch out a lot, which is more of a testament to its build, but they don't, fold like that. They kind of just do this swivel type of action. However, the included hard case houses the headphones and all its accessories in a nice and compact package, offering secure protection when stowed away. The touch controls on the ear cups add a layer of convenience, though accidental presses are an occasional drawback, but in my real-world use, I never really accidentally touched or activated any of the gestures on the side, so yay! The Surround 80UC features 6 microphones overall, creating a very clear sound output for calls. When testing the headphones for calls, our producer at the other end of the line commented that the quality was as good as if we were just using our smartphones, which is actually a really good sentiment if you didn't know. Because the microphones we use on our smartphones every day are actually really amazing for what they can do. So to say that I sound just as good as if, he didn't really know that I had the headphones on, that's definitely a compliment for the audio output you get when using these for calls. Likewise, the call quality on our end sounded really good, and these headphones are rated for up to 21 hours of talk time and 24 hours of playback with its 1100 milliamp hour battery. And the headphones can be charged to full within an hour. The Poly Voyager Surround 80UC also features some lighting at the sides, and when you're on call, the light emits as red to let others around you know you're on a call and not to disturb you. When on call, the red accented function button used for cycling through ANC or transparency mode by default doubles as a mute button. The headphones also feature gesture control on the right side for media playback, volume, and answering calls. Additionally, the device features NFC for quick pairing as well. These headphones also feature active noise cancellation, and it proves effective. It does not rival the best in the market, but even a little bit of ANC can go a long way, especially if it can get quite busy in your home or office. In comparison, if Sony's latest flagship ANC model is a 10, these guys are about a 6 to 7 out of 10. It also features Bluetooth 5.3 support and multi-device connectivity to add versatility to the Surround 80UC's arsenal. This feature allows you to pair the 80UC with your laptop and, let's say, your phone at the same time, which means you could be listening to your music on your computer while you work, and at the same time get pinged for notifications or even take calls on your phone. All at the same time, which is awesome. Furthermore, to give you more control over the headphones, users can also download the PolyLens app for iOS and Android. In the PolyLens app, we can update the headphones firmware, customize the EQ profile, change the red accented function button for different functions and adjustments, for ANC and transparency mode to name a few. For a headset primarily designed for calls, the Voyager Surround 80UC surprises with its balanced sound profile, which could leave you wanting more if you're used to a more dynamic sound profile. The emphasis on the voice and highs complements for calls, audiobooks, and podcast listening with ease. The two 40mm drivers that make these headphones deliver a commendable listening experience across various genres, though bass heads seeking a profound low end might find it lacking. Because by default, it's actually, the EQ is set to bass, and it's not like, kind of bass. Also, the absence of advanced Bluetooth codec support raises questions for some, but doesn't noticeably impact the audio listening experience from the headset. Where the Voyager Surround 80UC truly shines is in performance tailored for the demands of the modern workplace. The microphone quality stands out, excelling at isolating the user's voice amid ambient noise. The dedicated function button coupled with innovative touch controls adds to the headset's allure, and the myriad of connection accessories like the wireless Bluetooth dongle prove essential for unlocking the headset's full potential, showcasing Poly's attention to detail. Now, to conclude this video, we need to answer the question, who is the Poly Voyager Surround 80UC for? Well, the Poly Voyager Surround 80UC goes for $449.95. That's USD, direct from HP. And at the time of this recording, this roughly converts to 25,000 pesos. But we have seen them being resold locally for about 10,000 pesos on Lazada. So, if your workday is dominated by calls and virtual meetings, the headset's comfort, mic performance, and robust features make it a worthy companion. While it may not cater to the audiophile's cravings, it isn't made for that. Its specialized focus on the nuances of the modern workplace, meaning these are office headphones at the end of the day, and honestly, they really stand out in their category. So, what do you guys think of the Poly Voyager Surround 80UC? Are these the headphones to perfectly pair for your work and productivity needs? Or is that price tag something you'd want to stray away from? Let us know in the comments section below. But if you found this video informative, educational, or fun, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Also, don't forget to follow us on our socials, that is Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, to get the latest and greatest from Yugatech. Once again, this has been Miguel, and these have been the Poly Voyager Surround 80UC headphones. And I will see you in the next one. Cheers.